Look guys, first time using an umbrella on a vlog. I just had to vlog it. We're on the way to go get some food again. I think today we're going to be trying vegan food, so vegan eats. Guys, so we just picked a random person up with a kid. We were playing the Good Samaritan card. You see this, Ryan?
It's horrible.
She was right over there by Lawson's, this blue and white convenience store right here. And we had to turn around and just grab her and drop her off. Because no one stopped for her. Was she pregnant?
I think she's pregnant.
So the lady, she was also pregnant, walking in the rain.
Pregnant with life.
Shut up, John. Pregnant with life. Anyway, so it was right on the way where we're gonna go eat this vegan food anyway. But I mean, if anyone, even if she wasn't pregnant, you should still stop and pick people up. Yeah, and she also had a kid. He was probably, how old do you think he was?
He's probably like 3 or 2. 2
or 3, because he liked my son Spider-Man, and I had to tell him, leave Spider-Man in the car because my son's gonna be really sad if you take it. But you know, give this video a thumbs up for picking up people we don't know, and for that person actually accepting the ride in the rain to get back to our hotel. We did find out there's a hotel behind, it's a hotel apartment, so kind of like a condo, I guess, behind McDonald's right here in Mihama area, and she said she's staying there for only 50 bucks a night, and the weekends of course it's more expensive than that. And she said it has a little kitchenette and it's just like a little apartment. So if you're looking for somewhere cheap to stay on top of getting good food in Okinawa, stay right back there behind McDonald's. It's called Emmy, was it Emmy Full Resort?
Yep.
Yeah, Emmy Full Resort, and you'll get a hotel condo for 50 bucks, and then go get yourself some food, vegan food, right over here in Mihama.
All right, I'm gonna show you guys some of the vending machines in Japan. This is, whoa, this is old school milk. I don't know if I trust that one.
No, it's fresh.
Fresh milk. Yeah, these are vending machines. They're everywhere. You got your coffees, Cokes, Fantas, waters, black coffee, my favorite. But they're pretty amazing.
The Coke Zero right here.
Coke Zero, disgusting. But most of it's coin. Well, whatever you use here is coin. If you use a big bill, put it in here.
It's like normal.
And your change comes out here. It's like a normal vending machine.
But no, the thing that's different about the vending machines here is sometimes they serve hot drinks and cold drinks in the season. That's what's important. And then
you cannot be heard over this.
What's inside of the machines is very different too. Like you have your water, sparkling lemon water, and then something else that's good is the lemon garden tea.
And the green tea.
Or the green tea, yeah. And then Aquarius. That's like your Powerade. Dedicated to vending machines. Give this video a thumbs up. If I get over 10 thumbs up, I'll do a dedicated video on the vending machine. Alright guys, so we'll be eating at Tammy's Vegan Cafe here in Mihama, American Village. So babe is trying to figure out what he wants to order. Let me see. We have another menu. So lunch menu. All vegan menu. So I've eaten here once before, and I actually tried the vegan donuts. That's cool. The vegan chicken spicy green curry. That was really good. And last time Josh ate here, he got the, which one did you get? Just this. Oh, he got the tofu avocado. So let's see what he orders today. I saw a post that said my phone eats first. So I was telling Josh, I saw a post that said my phone eats first because people are always taking pictures of their food before they even eat. But we did pray, so. All right, now to try the French fries. With homemade salsa is good.
Dragonfly, just grab my hand.
It's like curry. Hey guys, so this is really good if you dip your French fry. Taking some of my green curry and put it on his fish. That's currently falling apart because of the tomato. Guys, just like that, we're done eating. And this was really good. Josh said he would try this next time he comes, but for now he gives it a rated 1 to 10 for you. Your food, fish.
Fish 4.
Fish was a 4. This is my second time getting this. It's a 10 out of 10 every time. So if you're looking for a nice place to eat, fries are a 10. If you're looking for a vegan option place to eat, just come here and you're welcome. We also have a Party Land frozen yogurt place right beside the Tammy's vegan place, and A&W if you're not into that. Alanai Ikai Terrace. We've never eaten here before, but ooh, that does look good. Shrimp and bacon cheeseburger. If you're not interested in a vegan burger, you can get this kind of burger.
Now, when I could have had this, we could have had this rather than that vegan fish burger. Could have had this, same price.
Oh,
same price.
No, your vegan fish burger was $10.
This is 1,180.
So for $1.80 more, you could have had two humps of rice, macaroni, a salad, a cute flour, and some shrimp. He's not even full. Alright. And we went to DAISO. Got some things needed for the house. You can also make your own color oil bottles. These are the colors for them. I'm thinking about doing this with my mom. They always sell these in the stores for like 20 bucks. But they have everything you need for the little bottles that look like this at the DAISO. For a kid, she could take it back as a souvenir and we can make it together. Alright guys, so this trip is over. We'll see you in the next vlog. So Josh is going to get me a Blue Mountain coffee. Thank you. Unique drinks. First time I came to Japan, this was the first drink I tried, a real gold. But it was a smaller can like this and I was amazed. What you get? Black coffee.
Oh, baby.